What the heck is this thing? Is King Kong moving out? Seriously, what am I looking at right now?
What you are looking at is quite possibly the most expensive cover-up in New York City history. This 240-foot-tall stack of suitcases is a temporary scaffolding shell masking the Louis Vuitton Fifth Avenue flagship store at the corner of Fifth Avenue and 57th Street. Before this giant suitcase stack popped up, for almost 1 century, this corner belonged to an Art Deco white marble and limestone building erected in 1930 for the New York Trust Company. It originally stood 11 stories high, but in the 1940s and 50s, the New York Trust Company expanded it vertically into a 15-story building. During the 1990s, the building was leased by Warner Brothers, who completely covered the lower exterior with giant cartoon statues, including a massive Bugs Bunny and Superman bursting out of the building's facade. Then in 2004, to celebrate the Louis Vuitton brand's 150th anniversary, its parent company, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, the world's largest and most powerful luxury goods conglomerate, took over the building. Their architect, Jun Aoki, redesigned the structure by stripping away the cartoon exterior and adding 5 more stories to the top, transforming it into a 20-story-high, sleek, frosted glass luxury palace. But New York never stands still. To stay ahead, Louis Vuitton decided it was time for a total, ground-up reinvention, and in 2024 began redeveloping the site into a brand-new, towering 25-story flagship, expected to be completed and open to the public around 2027 or 2028. It will feature state-of-the-art retail spaces, experiential exhibits, and a level of design the city hasn't seen before. So, while you are standing here admiring the luggage, a massive crew is fast at work building the new tower. But you can't see them because, instead of wrapping their building in ugly green construction nets and dusty plastic, they decided to dress it up as a stack of 6 vintage Trianon gray trunks, keeping the workers and unfinished building out of sight. At a widely rumored cost of $10 to $15 million, this might be the most expensive scaffolding you have ever laid eyes on. But wait, another $13 million was paid just to demolish the old building. The sheer scale of wealth at this corner is truly amazing. And why does this scaffold cost an eye-popping $10 to $15 million bucks? Well, my fellow peasants, this isn't papier-mâché. To design this, engineers used high-tech 3D laser scans of 19th-century hard-sided Louis Vuitton trunks to replicate every detail perfectly. Look at that handle on the lower trunk. It's actually all chrome-plated steel and weighs a staggering 5,000 pounds. Because it needs to mimic the classic aesthetic of a real 19th-century trunk handle, the structural steel was finished to look and feel like genuine leather. To achieve this hyper-realistic leather strap effect, engineers applied a highly durable, weather-resistant coating over the steel framework, complete with oversized faux stitching molded directly into the material. Their attention to detail did not end there. Look closely at the borders. The entire structure is held together by 840 heavy-duty individual rivets, meticulously mapped out to mimic the exact handcrafted alignment of a real piece of luxury luggage. So now I hope you have a greater appreciation for this beautiful and temporary piece of art that sits 240 feet high at one of the most famous corners in the world. By the way, while this multi-year renovation takes place, Louis Vuitton opened a temporary boutique and high-end cafe just steps away at 6 East 57th Street to keep people happy while the main event is being built.
Man, only in New York do they build a monument just to hide a construction site. I gotta get a selfie with this lock.